Alright guys, it is Thursday and I'm at the shop working on the wheels on the 77 Bandit. Gave them another coat of the gold, the snowflakes. I got about 2 more coats to go and they should look great. It's better than spending money on new rims. Also made new mounts for the rear end there. I'm gonna have to do some work on the probably on the tires. I got to get those tires off, get them running right. I still got to get that Mustang. Let me zoom in a little bit. It's all running and ready. The problem we got is it's got some type of a vacuum leak and I cannot find it, so I'm waiting for a buddy of mine to fix his smoke machine, and we'll take a look at it and see if we can figure out where the leak is. But I'll stay back to this. Oh, look at that, nice yellow jackets. Anyway, all right, back to work.